In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in a Zoom meeting, as well as how to set it up beforehand through your Zoom profile so it's ready for all future calls. Let's dive right in and make sure you feel comfortable with these simple steps, whether you're using the desktop or web application on your computer or laptop. First, let's talk about how you can change your name during a meeting. Now remember, this option depends on whether the host has enabled the renaming feature. So if you're ready to make that change, here's what you'll need to do. Once you're in the Zoom meeting, you'll notice the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the participants icon and give it a click. This action will pop open a whole panel where you'll see a list of everyone present in the meeting, including yourself. Now hover over your name and you'll see a small button labeled More appear next to it. Go ahead and click on More, and you'll notice an option to rename yourself. Simply type in your new name in the space provided and finalize your choice by clicking Rename. It's that easy, and your new name will be visible to all participants in the meeting from that point forward. Now let's move on to setting your name before any meeting, ensuring that your preferred display name shows up for all future calls. This can be done either through the Zoom desktop app or via the web app. The good news is, both methods are fairly straightforward and will have you set up in no time. Start by opening Zoom on your computer or laptop. At the top of the application, you'll see your profile picture in the right corner. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu should appear, offering various options. From there, you'll want to choose My Profile. Clicking on this will redirect you to a web page where you can manage your account details. On this page, you can catch a glimpse of your account summary, including your current display name. Look for a small Edit button right next to your name, and yes, you guessed it, click on it. You'll now have the ability to update your display name. Once you've typed in your desired name, be sure to save these changes by clicking the Save button. This simple action ensures that every time you join a Zoom call moving forward, your newly chosen display name will appear to others. There you go. Now you're well equipped to manage your Zoom display name both during a meeting and for all upcoming calls. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide leaves you feeling confident in your ability to customize your Zoom experience to fit your needs. Happy Zooming!